Welcome back everyone, this is Kaneki Arts and I do character designs and illustrations of the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel and together, we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, so for today's episode guys, I'm gonna be doing one of my daily sketches. Okay, so for today's daily sketches, I'm gonna be drawing Kaneki Ken from Tokyo Ghoul. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed to the illustration. Welcome back. So now I'm done with the illustration and I'm so happy about it, though it is a bit challenging since I'm running out of art materials and I have plenty of colors to work around with. So here is the final illustration of Kaneki Ken for my daily sketches. So as you can see, I'm using only black and red for this thing. Okay, so one of the things that I want you to put in your mind is that art materials isn't that much important. What's important is to know your fundamentals, your knowledge, and your mileage when it comes to your skills. Okay, and then I'll be doing Kaneki Ken as a female character. So stay tuned for that, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.